I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter homemade. To begin, select 1 pint of high-quality heavy cream, avoiding ultra-pasteurized varieties for best results. The cream should be very cold, ideally between 45 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 7 to 10 degrees Celsius. This temperature is crucial for proper churning. Using cream with a higher fat content, typically around 36%, will give you a greater yield of delicious, rich butter. Now let's get to the fun part, churning. Pour your chilled heavy cream into a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, a food processor, or even a tightly sealed jar. Begin whipping the cream on a medium-high speed. You'll see it progress from soft peaks to stiff peaks. Then it will curdle and finally separate into solid butterfat and liquid buttermilk. This transformation usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes in a stand mixer. Once your butter has separated, it's time to remove the buttermilk. Carefully pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth-lined colander, collecting the buttermilk for other uses. Next, wash the butter thoroughly under ice-cold water. Knead and press the butter repeatedly, continuing to rinse until the water runs completely clear. This crucial step removes all remaining buttermilk, which helps prevent your homemade butter from spoiling quickly and developing an undesirable sour taste. Finally, let's talk about salting and storage. If you prefer salted butter, add about 1/2 teaspoon of fine sea salt for every 1/2 cup of butter you've made. Incorporate the salt evenly by kneading it in with a spatula or your clean hands. Once seasoned, shape your butter as desired. Store your fresh homemade butter in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your delicious, handcrafted butter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.